Good day and welcome to Le Coup de Grâce. Today, in partnership with Canadian Beef, I will be cooking this amazing grilled cheese with raclette cheese, grilled flank steak, arugula, and even a spicy mayo. You'll see it is amazing. This classic sandwich really reminds me of my childhood because my mother used to cook me this sandwich a lot. You know, with a classic yellow cheese, she even added some canned asparagus. Can you imagine it? Shall we start? Cheers! In a bowl, add the dried oregano, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme, pepper, salt, and stir. Sprinkle about a quarter cup of the dry rub on the steaks, add a good drizzle of olive oil, and massage to coat. Keep the rest of the dry rub for your next grilled cheese batch. Reserve in the fridge for 3 hours. In a bowl, add the mayonnaise, the honey, the chipotle powder, the lime juice, season with salt and pepper, and stir. Cook the flank steaks for about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until desired doneness. Wrap in foil and let stand 5 minutes before slicing thinly. In the bottom bread, spread some sauce, add some cheese slices, a lot of flank steak, some arugula, more cheese, spread some sauce on the top bun, and close. Melt the butter and cook the grilled cheese for 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Slice open and serve. Bon appétit!